back to work. And here's a little bit more of the view.
Whoa, that one scared me too.
It's right under there.
You do it. Trying to get rid of this high quality shower.
She loves it. Morning, Elle and I are just hanging out down by the lake, taking it in for a few minutes before we start work today. We are gonna demo that bathroom for sure. That's like first thing on the list. Second thing on the list today is going down and checking where we found the ants last week. Not good, but we're gonna go underneath and check the beam underneath the house today too.
Army crawling.
Army crawling.
That's exciting.
We wore pants. And it is the end of August, right?
Yeah, it's almost September.
I think we're down into like the 70s for ski season. Like, it's close. Back to work. And here's a little bit more of the view.
It's nice. I don't want to work. I'll just sit down here. You can go work.
We had to take the Jeep today because the truck
It's dead.
dead. Not completely dead, but broken. Lifters collapsed. I think it bent some push rods. It's only running on like 4 or 6 cylinders now, so it needs a complete rebuild. So we broke out the old XJ.
My favorite vehicle.
She loves it.
I see no ants. Only dead ones.
So these bays were filled. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. Just a lot of little carcasses. Well, I guess that's good. So hopefully they just like swarmed in here and we caught them just before they did damage. But I won't know until we climb under there later.
Oh, look. There's a date on the wall. Remember when we were trying to find stuff in the walls? October 1st, 2006.
I will have to say, Jack,
You disappointed us.
it's not such a great job, man. I don't know if I would have signed my name on this.
Come on, Jack.
Maybe he was proud of it. Maybe it was his first time doing something. But, you know, everything's shimped. I don't know why this is a header. It's not even, like, bracing anything. I'm not going to tear him apart. It's probably his first project. We need to get to work. Otherwise, we're never going to get anything accomplished here. We need tools first, though.
Notice the teal accent. Nice
All right.
job, Dad.
I backed into a tree when I was plowing. 20 years of plowing. I hit one thing, all right? It happens. I swear, you back into one thing, they never let you live it down. So we're just pulling out these electrical switches. So these are like $30 a switch and it looks to be in good condition. So why create more garbage when you don't have to? We'll just reuse some of this stuff. One switch. Look at that, we made money today. Power is off. This time I'm not gonna get shocked. So we're gonna continue inside. I don't know how many of you guys know this, but generally you've got 3 screws here. The center screw is usually a really long screw and you have shims in the jamb here. And what you can do is tighten this. If your door is banging and jamming it like the top or the bottom, generally you can snug up this center screw and pull the door and get your door straight again in your door jambs without having to like shave down the door. So, and if it needs a lot, you can pop off the trim, move the shim out, tighten up that center screw. But I was going to show you on this, they didn't do that because Jack didn't know. And now you know. We're probably going to save that door. It's in really good shape. We'll use it on probably this bedroom down here. It looks to be the same size. See why it smelled bad. There's big old mouse nests in here. Well, I found another one of Jack's little treats. Not sure what he was doing, but he did it.
It's not doing anything. It's just a little mouse teeter-totter.
This one's pretty nasty too. hit me.
God.
That was a mouse that just hit me in the
Yes.
chest.
We went this way. There it is. Hi, little guy.
That little dude just bounced off my chest. He's like, I gotta find a hole. Once we get all the insulation out of here, we can go find a new place to go through. We'll put anyone to bed now. Whoa, that one scared me too. Oh.
That was embarrassing.
There's 3 of them. This little guy's pulling a cliffhanger. A little 80s reference for you guys.
He just tossed the mouse right out the window.
Oh, he's down there. He went out the window too. No mice were harmed in this. That surprised me.
He like totally was like.
I was like, what the hell just hit me in the chest? I felt something like, what you? I thought it was insulation. Now I'm nervous to open up this one. This stuff has so much mouse pee in it, I don't think we should save it. Sink removal. So we just took down all this. I am not going to save this wood because it is just drenched in urine from the mice. This one's gross. Time to get rid of this high quality shower.
Hello. Welcome to the old bathroom. Note the hole in the floor. And I think that's my favorite part about this.
It's where the water goes straight.
And just right under the building. That's fine.
That is camp style. You want to try kicking some of this down?
Oh, we're kicking at it.
Kick that piece. That'll go. Oh, it's tight between the. You want to kick the side? That side stuff left behind the other wall. Oh, there you go.
Oh, don't hit with your toe. Yeah?
Expect you to be in the line of fire. Give you perspective with Ella straight on.
Yeah, I like it a lot better now. It feels a little bit more...
We'll get you all the way from the far end over here.
It's more open, of course. It feels more open. It's nicer.
Yeah, and it's not, I mean, it's not a big space because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20 feet-ish. I can picture the breakfast nook like in this space, a little L.
I think it's like perfect size for one to fit.
And still plenty of room for a wide pass-through.
Mm-hmm.
You can kind of picture if we had the breakfast space, banquette, like a little sticking out here table, and then the little breakfast bar on that side with a couple stools. We have some old tractor seats, and then the kitchen with the stove and everything on that side. But really, we want to see what it looks like from this side.
Yeah, I think we should keep those.
Yeah, I'm wondering how much bigger they should be, but maybe definitely taller.
Yeah.
And I think maybe doing a big fat chunky beam here, connecting this frame to this space so that this is all open, connects to that window.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely like the way it looks, especially when you're like in the space, because now you can see right through out into the other room and everything. As promised, we got to go down and look right at the sill right there and see what the ant damage is, and I have to climb underneath there. How much worse could it be? I already had a mouse jump and land on my chest today. We saw like 3-4 jump out of the wall at me. I jumped pretty good, as long as there's no snakes. God damn the snakes. I hate the snakes. All right, serious business. I'm about to go in. Got my best end, Ella?
Yep.
So it looks like some kind of piece of oak with some supports. Right over behind that ladder is another big piece of oak. There we go. So it's hard to see, but we've got a big supporting beam, which and you can see the ties where the addition was put on the house here. It actually looks pretty good under here. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if you guys can see in this because it's so dark. Oh, there's some sun. Now you guys can see. So this should be like 2. So we might double this up and give this some more support. See how this is a little bit high. Oh, wait, I see what's going on. Ugh. There we go. Struggling, guys. You film me from down there too.
Oh yeah. Gotta get all your shots covered, you know?
Yeah. So this is the new porch. I think that's a single 2x6. I see some old electric here. Looks like it's cloth. I'm not seeing any ant damage. Nope. I think we got lucky. They must have just swarmed in there. Well, we can get out of here before we get anything more crawling on us today. I'm stuck. I'm bellied out. All right. Oh. There's a couple jacks under there, giving it some extra boosters. They may have been trying to lift up the center there a little bit. Let's get out of here.
Oh my goodness. Camera can't see the dust cloud, but
I am
filthy.
Well, that went way better than expected. I was really nervous because if that beam was bad up there, we would have to go through and do all lift and jack and tear that apart from the inside, and it's a win. We've got a win. So where those jacks were down there is kind of middle by that door. Probably a 2-inch belly in the floor. And I bet they're trying to push this back up to square that up again. Which should be pretty easy to do. Now that I've seen it down there, there's nothing crazy. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. You guys are awesome that subscribed. It's been very helpful. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool to see the channel keep growing, and it's
Definitely.
pretty exciting too. You should see our faces when Dad checks and we're like, oh my God.
It is. Doesn't seem like a big deal, but it means a lot to us. I'll see you guys next week. Ella will be busy.
I know you'll miss me.
Yeah.
You'll be okay.
I'll survive. A little survive.
All right, guys. See you later.